Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. 2024 Mazda CX-30 Expert Review. Bob Hernandez. Mazda's smallest and most affordable crossover is the CX-30. Introduced for 2020, the subcompact SUV became exclusively all-wheel drive for 2022 and its base engine was retuned for more output and better efficiency for 2023. Rivals to the 2024 Mazda CX-30 are many and include the high-end Icona and Subaru Crosstrek. Collapse all Chevron. What's new? Chevron. The CX-30 2.5 carbon turbo model, new select sport model, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic monitoring are standard and available. 10.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. What we think Chevron. From its elegant, flowing exterior to its upscale cabin, design is one of the CX-30's strengths. Comfortable seat padding and substantial feeling switchgear further contribute to interior refinement. Plus, the small SUV handles well on smooth roads and provides good driver engagement through its well-calibrated brakes and tactile steering. Although the CX-30 is reactive and agile, we would not characterize it as athletic. The added power of the turbo model isn't very noticeable. Switching into sport mode doesn't seem to make the crossover any sportier, and in our testing, its firm suspension was only good on the flattest of road surfaces. Outward visibility is compromised, and space in the second row and cargo area leaves much to be desired. We're also not fans of the non-touchscreen infotainment interface, but thankfully a larger touchscreen is available for 2024. More spacious and capable mainstream subcompact SUVs are out there, but few are as premium as the Mazda CX-30. Performance and MPG's Chevron models carrying the 2.5S designation receive a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 with an output rated at 191 horsepower and 186 pounds-feet of torque. The 2.5 turbo models receive the same sized engine but turbocharged. Output from this powertrain is 227 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque with 87-octane gasoline and 250 horsepower and 320 pounds-feet with 93-octane gas. Regardless of engine, all 2024 CX-30 SUVs are equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission and AWD. Turbo models are quickest, with launches to 60 miles per hour taking as little as 5.8 seconds. As we await 2024 EPA fuel economy ratings, the mechanically identical non-turbo 2023 model not surprisingly has the lineup's best efficiency. Its 26.33 miles per gallon city highway rating represents an increase of 4 miles per gallon in the city and 3 miles per gallon on the highway compared to the 2023 CX-30 Turbo. The non-boosted model also gets 50 more miles of range on a full tank for 368 miles. Ratings are identical to the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek with its 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, but the Subi gets greater range because its gas tank is 3.9 gallons bigger. What is the CX-30 Carbon Turbo? How about the new Select Sport? Chevron. Just above the base trim level, Mazda offers the Select Sport trim. Along with aluminium roof rails, dark finished wheels, and exclusive ceramic metallic paint, this model gets black faux leather seats, dual-zone automatic climate control with rear air condition vents, rear armrest with cup holders, and other upgrades. Meanwhile, the Carbon Turbo is the CX-30 Turbo's new entry point for 2024. It pairs the lineup's strongest powertrain with Carbon Edition flair, namely black side mirrors, grille, wing, side garnish, and metallic 18-inch wheels. The Carbon Turbo is also the only 2024 CX-30 available in zircon sand exterior paint. A model-specific cabin with terracotta leatherette and black suede trimmed seats is available for the 2024 CX-30 Carbon Turbo. Its interior additionally scores the model's new 10.3-inch touchscreen, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a wireless phone charger. Safety ratings and features. Chevron the same generation 2023 CX-30 is ANI's top safety pick. It received a slate of good crash test ratings, but it also has yet to be assessed in the Institute's updated moderate overlap front test. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and a driver attention monitor are standard driver assistance features on the 2024 CX-30 base model. Blind spot and rear cross-traffic monitoring, automatic headlights with automatic high beams, and rain-sensing wipers are also standard at this level. Higher trim levels pick up a 360-degree camera and front and rear parking sensors. Cargo space and interior room. Chevron the CX-30's cargo space behind the rear seats compares favorably to the Hyundai Kona and Subaru Crosstrek. The 5-passenger Mazda also offers more legroom than the Hyundai. Legroom, front/rear, cargo space, seats up, down. 2024 Mazda CX-30 41.7 36.3 inches 20.2 45.2 cubic feet. 2024 Hyundai Kona 41.5 34.6 inches 19.2 45.8 cubic feet. 2024 Subaru Crosstrek 42.9 36.5 inches 19.9 54.7 cubic feet. Technology. Chevron an 8.8-inch central display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and 7.0-inch gauge cluster screen are standard on the 2024 CX-30. The entry-level 2.5S receives an 8-speaker sound system that upgrades to 12-speaker Bose audio on the 2.5 Turbo Premium. CX-30 select models come with remote start, and the preferred package delivers heated front seats and a power driver's seat. Non-turbo premium models receive a head-up display, and turbo premium variants pick up a heated steering wheel. All turbo models feature a wireless phone charger and the lineup's new 10.3-inch touchscreen. Recommended trim. Chevron the 2024 Mazda CX-30 is available in 8 models this year: Base, Select Sport, Preferred, Carbon Edition, Premium, Carbon Turbo, Turbo Premium, and Turbo Premium Plus. We are partial to the CX-30 2.5S Preferred, which receives standard auto leveling headlights, reverse tilt-down side mirrors, faux leather upholstery, and an overhead sunglass holder, in addition to remote start, a power driver's seat, and heated front seats. It also features the more efficient non-turbo powertrain. The 2024 CX-30 2.5S base model starts at around $26,300 and the lowest turbo model, the Carbon, starts at around $34,100. The CX-30 Preferred we recommend comes in at around $30,100, and Turbo Premium Plus top models carry a 2024 sticker price of approximately $38,100. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.